So today I'm going to show you how to replace this switch right here. So first thing you want to do is remove this trim piece. So you're just going to insert like a plastic screwdriver here and just pry up just enough so you can get your fingers in there. And then just pull it outwards. And then just be careful back here. There's a little clip you have to push out inwards. Like that. You can see there's a little clip right there. Okay. So next thing we want to do is remove these screws right here. These are Phillips screwdrivers. Alright, so we just removed this one right here. Next we have one right here.
Alright, so one.
The third one right there. And finally the last one just in the right corner.
See that? Right over there.
Okay. Alright guys, so the next thing we want to do is just come over here right under this piece and pry this little thing up. And it might take some time, but there you go. There's a little metal clip right here. If you can see that. That's it, you just remove that piece. And now there's, if you look under here, inside, if you can see those, there's two Phillips screwdrivers. Right there. So just get your screwdriver and remove those. Alright, so that's one. And just set that aside. I'm going to put it right there. Okay, so I forgot to mention that there's a screw right here at the bottom. Right there. So I'll just remove that. And it's another Phillips.
Also, I'll show you a video on how to place these projector lights. Stay tuned for that. So basically it projects the Audi logo. Alright.
Now that we got the last screw out, if it comes out, there we go. Look how long that is. Shit. Alright, so took me a few tries, but when I got a plastic spudger, just from under here, closer to the right hand side, show you right here, closer to here, just put the spudger in and pry out, and it seemed to work. And now just do the same on the left hand side and the bottom. It's trying to snap back in. Alright, just like that. Same thing on this side. Just like that. And that sounded bad, but what you're going to want to do is just run your fingers up and pull upwards. And there we go. Now, don't pull out just yet. You want to support it, because inside, let me show you. Inside here, there's some wires that you need to disconnect. So first wire is this right here. Okay, so this little piece right here was attached to the door handle. Very simple to remove. You just put your hands like this and pop it outwards, and then it comes off. Now the next piece we want to remove is this little orange tab right here. So just pull downward, and then it should just pop right out. So just push down on that. Just like that. You heard the click. This pushes down. and it should pop out. Just like that. This comes out. Okay. Now I just want to remove the speaker connection to the door. There's two little tabs right here. Just press it in and remove, just like that, these little pieces. And that's it for the door panel. So now that we finished removing that, we can go inside and work on the switch area. Alright guys, so what you're going to want to do next is remove these 5 T20 Torx screws. And then these 3 at the bottom right here. So we'll just go ahead and do those. And make sure you're using a T20 so you don't strip out the screws. I'm using a screwdriver, but you can use a wrench. Ratchet, sorry. So that's 1. That's 2. So what we're going to want to do is basically just remove the door handle so we can work on this switch. And in order to do that, we need to remove these 5 Torx screws. Alright. And it looks like it's about to rain, so I'm going to hurry this up. Now we're going to move right over here to these 3.
And 3.
Okay, so now we can go ahead and flip this over to remove the arm, the handle, and then we can disconnect the switches and replace the switch. So let's see here, like this. Alright. Oh, all that dirt, flipped it upside down, just fell. Okay, so this is what we're removing. I'll put it down like this for you. So this comes out like that. I'm gonna clean this before putting it in, which is a nice idea. So if you can see here, this is what we want to be working with. Let me see for you guys, get a nice better view. So right here there's a little tab, and you want to pull it towards the left. So just get in there and press it like that and pull. There we go. That comes out. Now we're not removing this part. That's for the mirrors. That's fine. We're not moving that. We're just switching this out. So next we're gonna get a little pry tool, maybe a flathead. If you have one of these picks here, this is a good idea. Sometimes like a 90-degree pick. Let's see if it wants to autofocus. No, it doesn't. Just one like this. But what you're gonna do is just right here, there's these 2 little tabs. So you're just gonna press those in like that, or you can maybe pry it up here like that. Okay, so I'm gonna just push on the backhand side right here. Finally, this thing popped out. Okay, so the reason I'm replacing this, maybe you can see, is that these buttons, they don't click properly anymore. Look, they're falling out already. So I got my replacement, and we're just gonna put it in there. Alright, so this is the replacement right here. So I just bought this, I don't remember where, I think it was eBay or some parts store. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have to finish this install on my phone because my camera died, and that's fine. So back to what I was saying is that you can see the old one and the new one I have is when you press this once, it should go up automatically, but it doesn't. So that's why I'm replacing it. So next, what you want to do is just grab your new piece and put it in there how it was. And just like that, it should fit in. Just push it in all the way. And you can see there's the little clips. Just press them in place. And that's it. They come in, make sure they work, you know, once, twice, perfect. While I'm in here, I'm just gonna clean it, so I'll be right back. So just grab yourself a little microfiber cloth. So just grab a little microfiber cloth with a bit of brake clean or something, and just, you know, get in there. Get in there, just clean the debris, stuff flies in. Okay, that looks good enough to me. So just go ahead and put that connector in again. So install is just the same but in reverse. There's only one way this thing can go, and that's inwards. And just push it in like that. Alright, 1 second. Sorry guys, it's really hard with one hand. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. I'll put it upward, just for a second. See? So you just push it in like that, it clips in. Okay, now, you could just flip it back. This switch, this plastic. So move all that stuff out of the way. Just put it aside. All your tools. Put it on the ground. Okay, so just like that. And then we're gonna flip this around and install all those screws. So dirty. Okay. With the remaining screws, whatever. So there's 5 more screws here, and look at that, it started to rain. So I'm gonna have to hurry this up. Just put those screws in there, and then we'll get them with the drill bit. So now we're gonna go back and install this, and hopefully it stops raining. Sorry guys. Hopefully it stops raining. just enough for me to put this door back on. Alright, so it stopped raining. I got the door panel on. Very simple. Same. So for reinstallation, you just do the same thing but opposite. You start with the top and then just bang in the sides. Wiped it down from all the water. Okay, so now you just put in the screw right here. And that's it. Alright, sit inside here. Bring this door panel closer. So you can see now we just have these 4 screws. Where are they? So we're just gonna grab these 4 screws. Start with this one. Are these 2 right here. Don't forget about this, the handle one. Just go grab your cover. And where did I put that? Alright, I'm gonna grab this. Oh look, the sun's out. Finally, when I'm done the job. So just pop it in there. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe from the bottom is better. So you just grab it. You put it in there. So then just take it and push down. And that's it. Next, last part. And just grab your trim piece and install it. The install super simple. So you just grab this like that. There's a little, you put this in end first, push it in, and then there's these little clips or tabs. Oh, wait 1 second. Okay, so make sure when you take it out that no pieces like this come off, or else you get the install. See, they should be like that, but the metal came off. Just take it off and put it in. Which way does it go? Just like that. Press it in there. And then you're ready to reinstall your trim piece. So insert it like that. You can see it's gonna go in there. There we go. Everything just fits. And then just apply a bit of pressure. Get it in there. And that's it. Maybe press down a bit, get it nice and firm. Whew, but that's it. You're done. Look at this. That looks amazing. And it's hot in here, so 1 press. And it comes down and it works. Perfect, and we're done. So that's it. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.